It's about time.
It's about time.
It's about time.
It's about on time all the time.
It's about time you
Try GP Precision Sheet Metal.
GP Precision, we do sheet metal fabrication from about 10 thousandths to 1/4 inch and all different types of material.
It's about time for flawless design assistance, quick turn laser cutting, forming, welding, polishing and painting, to final assembly, or any process in between.
Hardware, assembly, weld, spot weld, grind.
Electronics enclosures, laboratory test equipment, fiber optics, medical. We make a cart for the medical nursing home industry. So we're a job shop. We have customers in all different markets.
We can supply a completely finished product.
Fabricated and finished with extreme care.
Well, behind me is a fiber optic laser and a CO2 laser.
It's a 4,000 watt fiber optic laser. The machine cuts a lot faster than other CO2 lasers. We have the ability to use ambient shop air as an assist gas instead of paying for cryogenic cylinders of high pressure nitrogen and oxygen.
We can prototype very quickly using the laser. You don't have to set up the machine, you don't have to go looking for tools.
With our laser capabilities, we can prototype just one part for you.
The laser gives you the ability to react, quick turn, quick setup. As quick as you can make a program, you can be out and running.
Our lasers can cut up to 5 by 10 feet.
In our forming department, we have 5 press brakes from 60 tons to 130 tons with the ability to do up to 8 feet.
We have excellent relationships with our platers and painters and other subcontractors, and they give us excellent support. And we're proud of the work that they do for us and take responsibility for them.
It's about time.
We help with design assistance. We've been doing this for a long time, so
When we're looking at your drawings, if we see a better way to do it,
I'll look at it from the manufacturing standpoint.
we'll come back to you and ask you if we can do this.
You do this,
It's easier for us, and the net result is it's less expensive for you.
the customer wants to know the best way to make a sheet metal part. We can help them out with that.
That's the best part of my job.
It's about saving your time, not having to worry about your part.
This is a 19-inch rack mount card cage made of 060 aluminum. And if you look at the part, it's a very detailed part, but it's handled through our whole shop without any scratching. So we take a lot of care in processing it through punching, through deburring, through forming.
This is an example of a part that we use on the medical carts that we make. It's vinyl-clad aluminum. The material comes in this way in the flat, and it allows us to cut it and bend it without damaging the finish. And you can get it in all different sorts of finishes, patterns. We make it, it's done, we don't have to send it out for additional processes, and it's less expensive than sending it to get finished.
In some cases, we can eliminate electropolishing like we did for this customer. Well, we bought number 8 mirror finish with vinyl on it. I could ship this probably in about 3 or 4 days because I've eliminated electropolishing.
These are some examples of one product we make for a customer in different stages. This one's been laser cut, deburred. Hardware's also been installed before it was formed. This is what the part looks like after it's been formed on a CNC press brake.
So this is instrumentation for laboratory test equipment market. And what you see here is how we send it to our customer. It's powder coated, assembled, and with the handles put on it, goes in a box, and then goes out to our customer.
This is an example of a powder coated part, an intricate part at that. Different small bends, intricate bends, angle bends, a couple brackets spot welded on, and finish in yellow powder coat.
we can do anything from 1 piece to up in the thousands.
After it gets laser cut or punch press, then it goes into our time save deburring department where we have a time saver and a flatter. Not every shop has a flatter, and the advantage, it gets inside the holes and deburrs inside the holes.
We do spot welding, MIG welding, TIG welding,
We can spot weld on 1/8 aluminum.
grinding, polishing, down to number 8 mirror finish or grain finish.
In our hardware department, we use Hager inserting machines, inserting PEM hardware.
Almost all of our Hager insertion presses are equipped with automatic tooling, which saves time and saves money for the customer.
It's about time you were treated this way.
We're very systems oriented in our company and very structured. So we're on a real-time basis in our shop.
We use an ERP system, and all of our jobs are loaded into it. It controls everything we do from estimating to order entry. We can look up any job at any time.
We know exactly how many man hours.
What process is it currently staged in, when it will be delivered. We've been doing it a long time. We know what we're doing. We're celebrating our 50-year anniversary this year.
Yeah, I've been doing it for 30 years, so I do love manufacturing. It's about time that you found a sheet metal fabricator that'll
Bend over backwards for you.
Driven by on-time delivery.